What's up guys, Carolyn Castillo here. Today's video, I'm going to share with you the only 3 ways that you can make money as a real estate agent. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Carolyn Castillo here, listing agent with eXp Realty. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you like this video. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. I put out weekly real estate videos and I would love to connect with you. So drop a comment so we can get to know each other. So today's video, I'm going to share with you the only 3 ways that realtors can make money in real estate. So I love it when I get a new agent that would join the office and they would come in, they're so excited, they just got their real estate license, and they would come in and say like, Carolyn, can I ask you a question? I don't understand, like, how does this work? I'm here, I'm doing floor time, I'm at my real estate office, but nobody comes in. Like, no, who do I sell a house to? How do I make money in this business? And I say, okay, welcome to the 20th century where computers are involved, okay? People no longer walk into real estate offices looking to buy houses. Thank you, technology. That's over, okay? So in real estate, there's only 3 ways to make money. I have all the time people ask me, Carolyn, I want to get my real estate license. I see everything that you're doing. I would love to do real estate as well. And I tell them, okay, perfect. You would love real estate. I love real estate, but there's only 3 ways to make money in real estate. As a real estate agent, nobody's giving you business. It's not like when you work at a corporate job or something like that where you clock in and that employer says, hey, on your shift, I want you to do X, Y, and Z. You get your check and you walk out. Realtors don't get paid like that at all. The broker does not give you anybody to service. So as a real estate agent, you have to generate your own clients, your own leads, okay? So in real estate, there's only 3 ways to do it. 1 is your sphere of influence. Now, if you're somebody that has a large family, maybe, you know, nowadays, 2021, you've got this huge social media following, you're a part of a church, you're a part of a, you know, like a hobby, like you play sports or in the, you know, equestrian field or something where you have a large network of people, okay? If you are that person and you have a large network of people, then you have a really good chance of just working right within your network. So you would get your business cards, you would be promoting, sharing the word, letting everybody know that you are now a professional full-time realtor and you can service all of their real estate needs. So that is a way that people get into the business. Sometimes you see people, they've never sold a house in their life and they have like $1 million listing. How does that happen? Well, it's 9 times out of 10, it's the sphere of influence. So if you're in that network and people like you and trust you and they think that you can handle the job, they're going to give you the work. So sphere of influence is one of the ways that you can make money. The other way that you can make money, if you don't have a sphere of influence, you have a small family, small group of friends, whatnot, the other way that you can make money in real estate is what I call pay to play. And what does that mean? So pay to play means you advertise. You spend money generating leads, generating advertisements. So there's been a lot of successful realtors that I've known and I've had the pleasure of working with throughout the years, and they have had a huge budget for mailing postcards. Now, this doesn't happen overnight. Everybody knows advertising is not like, hey, I just paid, you know, $1,000 to this lead source and now I'm going to be getting $10,000. It doesn't work like that. When you do advertising, it takes time. It's an investment that you're making into your business. So you're going to have to be faithful to continue paying. Now, I see realtors that have done amazing at this, and they've really became that agent, that consistent agent, and they're reaping the rewards from it. But I've also seen a lot of agents like have good intentions, and then, when they keep having to pay, but the money's not coming in, so the money's going out, the money's going out, the money's going out, the money's not coming in as quick as they would have expected it to come in, then they actually quit, they stop paying, and then the whole thing is, not gonna work, okay? So there's a lot of ways to pay to play now. You can, there's advertising on Facebook, on Instagram. You can pay Zillow. There's a lot of agents that are premier agents. There's all kinds of people. I mean, they cold call me all day long trying to get me to buy their services, to send me leads and blah, 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 blah. So there are ways that you can pay and you can start receiving leads right away, okay? Now, the third one, which is the one I did, my favorite one, is hustle, okay? Pure hustle. And what does that mean? So to hustle doesn't require any money whatsoever. It doesn't require any network, any clout, anybody like that, okay? It's just your hard work, the school of hard knocks. You pounding the pavement, as people may say, and you may literally do that. So for me, when I started, it was all cold calling. So I was prospecting 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day. I was calling. There was times where I called for a whole month and got nothing whatsoever. But once that pipeline starts filling up, and once those things, it's like a floodgate. Your listings and your buyers and stuff like that are just popping. So there's a lot of ways that you can hustle in this business. You can make cold calls. You can go door knocking. You can prospect on social media, which is a huge one now. I mean, you can literally on social media, it's so easy because you see everybody. You could send a message to anyone on social media, okay? You can be on LinkedIn, all these different social media platforms, and you can actively say, hey, are you thinking about selling your house? Hey, are you looking to purchase? And also, this is a form of prospecting. So in my experience, when I see agents, okay, that come into this business, everybody's a realtor. Let's be honest. Everybody's a realtor. Everybody knows at least 10 realtors, especially in my area. Everybody's a realtor, okay? Now, people that are like a teacher and they're part-time, okay? Most time part-time realtors, it just doesn't work out in the long term. Like if you really talk to people that do real estate part-time, the longevity of it just doesn't really work out. However, if you're a teacher and you market to your fellow teachers, that is your network, okay? So you can always be passing out your business cards at your school and presenting yourself as a professional part-time realtor within that network, okay? You can be successful, okay? If you commit to a certain paying platform saying that, you know what, I'm going to prospect this neighborhood. I'm going to pay, Zillow for this zip code. So every buyer that goes to Zillow and clicks on this link, they're going to get my information. They're going to call me and I'm going to work with those buyers, okay? Is it going to be easy? No, it's not going to be easy. Is it going to just be a layup, Lindsay? Like there's like, okay, I want to sell my house. No, real estate takes a lot of grit and a lot of hard work. So that's why you see a lot of people, revolving in this business. The strong people, the people that have a lot of grit, have a lot of resilience, those are the ones that make it through. So my advice always is for people that are just starting off is just understand that you have to come up with your own source of getting business, unless you go work on a team, and that team 9 times out of 10, if you're passing leads to someone, it's like literally passing you leads, it's because they're paying for it. It was their hustle or it was their sphere of network. So if that's the case, they're going to charge you 50% most of the time, or even, so I've seen some even like 30 or 40%. So that means that you're doing all the same work, but because they gave you the lead on a silver platter, you're still paying for it. I have agents that say, oh, I don't pay anything. Yes, you pay for everything. You only get 40% of the commission. So working with eXp Realty, the awesome thing is it gives me the opportunity to work directly with agents on a team-like environment, but I don't take one penny from you. So you still get your 100% commission with eXp Realty. I don't take $1 for you, and we can actually work together. So if you're interested in learning how to hustle in real estate, because that's all I know how to do. I didn't pay to play, and I didn't have this like amazing, sphere of network of people that I could just sell houses to them. I had to hustle. I had to do the hard work. I've already done the failures, what works, what doesn't work. I can literally give you a roadmap of exactly what to do to be successful in this business. It won't cost you any money. All you need is a dedication, hard work, and we can make it happen. So if that's something you're interested in, give me a call. My contact information is below. Let's connect on social, because I would love to show you how to make money in this business and be severely successful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps, and let's get connected. I'll see you on the next one.